Good morning, students. As we were studying science subject, which is a very interesting subject, and among that lesson we have seen several terms of reflection of light. And as we know that reflection of light and incident ray we have seen in reflection of light. The reflection, what is reflection we have seen. What is incident ray? Incident as well as reflected ray we have seen, and then thereafter what we have seen, point of incidence was there, angle of incidence, angle of reflection was there. Okay, angle I, angle R was there. But now what happens is this reflection can occur several times. As you have seen, when you go to the salon, means in the parlor, there are several mirrors are adjusted there. Means when you cut your hair, you can see a mirror is in front of you and one mirror is at the back of your head. Means how can you see that the barber has cut your hair properly or not? To verify it, you will see one mirror placed in front of your face and one will be at your back, so that the image, means here you will be here, the image, one mirror will be here, this will be suppose M1, this mirror will be in front of you and one mirror will be at the back side of your head. Means here you will be able to see how your haircut is there. Means the image, the front side image will be formed here, and the back side image, the image of this image is formed in the front mirror. That's why we are able to see what is behind our head, means how the barber has cut our hair. Okay, so what happened here? Means reflection of reflection, means double reflection has occurred here, right? Similarly, as you know that the sun has its own light, right? But moon doesn't have its own light. We all know that. But what happens? Why do we see the moon at night? Because the moon, this sunlight falls on this moon and this is reflected back to us. Means if we are here on the earth, suppose, so these reflected rays are fallen on our eyes. That's why we see this moon. Means moon doesn't have its own light. What we are actually seeing is, it was the reflection. But also, if water is there, what happens? If moon is there and behind that water is there, then we see a image of moon. We see image of moon. Here it is moon, but inside water we see image of the moon. Means what is happening? Reflection of reflection we are able to see. Okay, clear up to this? So means the first case, it was of barber shop, means when you go now for the haircut, and this image, these are reflection of reflected light. So today we will see reflection of reflected light. We'll write it here, reflected light okay. So as we have seen, reflection has taken place several times. Means here the simple term is when we will see that diagram again. This was incident ray, this was reflected ray, and this reflected ray, suppose here one reflecting surface is there, it can be mirror or it can be water, as we have seen in the moon's example. Suppose this is a mirror and these are reflected rays, these were incident ray, and this was reflected ray. So in this reflection of reflected light, what will happen? This is reflected ray, means reflected light. So this reflected light will go or fall on any of the reflecting surface. It can be mirror, it can be water, or any other surface which is reflecting, which gives reflection, just like a mirror. And here we have taken the example of mirror, which is a reflecting surface. Then what will happen? This will reflect the light again, means here reflection is occurring. This is also a reflected ray. Means what is happening here? First of all, incident ray was there. Suppose it was from the sun. This was incident ray, and this is suppose a mirror. Here also we will take mirror. Suppose this is mirror 1 and this is mirror 2. So what is happening? Mirror 1 is reflecting a ray, which we are calling reflected ray, and that reflected ray is falling on mirror 2. Okay, and mirror 2 is again reflecting that ray. Means here reflection phenomenon, means as we have seen the definition of reflection of light, reflection means when incident ray falls on any reflecting surface and it turns back to the other direction, means it is called as reflection of light. But here 2 times reflection occurred, that's why this process here up to this reflection was there, means this process we call it as reflection. But here what happened? Reflection of reflected light, this or light again got reflected, that's why this is called as reflection of reflected light. Clear up to this? If you have any questions related to this, you can ask in the comment section below. So as you have seen, the moon is not self-luminous. It have the reflection, means it have its own. It doesn't have its own light, but it can illuminate because of the sun. Means from the sun it gets light and it reflects the light rays, and which falls on our eyes, and that's why we can see the moon. Okay, means and that reflection falls in the water body, or you can say lake or river, whatever. When that reflection is reflected again, so it is called as reflection of reflected light. Clear up to this? And as we have seen the another example also, when 2 mirrors are adjusted, one in front of your face, one at your back, then you can see the barber has cut your hair properly or not. These were the 2 examples in the reflection of reflected light. Clear up to this? Thank you. You will see the video in the description section. So click that link and watch that video. All your concepts related to this subtopic, that is reflection of reflected light, will be clear. Okay? Thank you. About homework. So the homework is, what is reflection of reflected light give examples.